Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 4 of Angular interview questions. If you have not watched my previous series, you can go back to my channel and watch them. And in this video we are going to see what are the major differences between ng-on-init and constructor. So this is one of the basic interview questions which we will face in most of the interviews. So constructor does not belong to Angular lifecycle hooks, whereas ng-on-init belongs to Angular lifecycle hooks. So what are these Angular lifecycle hooks normally? So for every component in Angular, it will go through particular stages like creation, updation, and view initialization, destruction, etc. So for every stage, some particular method will be called so that we can do any operations we want. During destruction, we can free up all our spaces, etc. So this ng on it belongs to these Angular lifecycle hooks, whereas constructor does not belong to Angular lifecycle hooks. So second point says constructor is called before ng on it. So after a few intervals, this ng on it will be fired, and between these two, constructor will be fired first. And the next difference is constructor is derived from the oops, whereas ng on it belongs to the Angular. So if you want to know whether a particular component is fully initialized or Angular has finished initializing the component or not, we have to use ng on it here. And the next point is dependency injection. If you want to use dependency injection in particular component, then you have to use that or inject that in the constructor, but not in ng on it. If you want to use mm, service calls like HTTP client, then you have to inject that in the constructor. And if you want to use router for doing navigation, then you have to inject that in the constructor. If you inject that in the ng on it, you will fed up with the errors. Now for using DOM manipulation, we will use ng on it. If you want to use view child or if you want to access the data of view child, you can do that in ng on it, but not in constructor. If you use that in the constructor, you will get undefined. And if you want to use input at the rate output, etc., you have to use or you can access that in the ng on it. So this is the end of this tutorial, and thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.